Okay, continuing down, so I'm on the platform out of the second floor, going down to the platform below, and it's quite an interesting condition that I want to point out that it's going to need to, again, it's pre-existing non-conforming, but we've got this platform here that doesn't go anywhere. There's no way to get out on this roof or walk to the roof out here. There's nothing. It just drops off right there. Kind of a dangerous condition. I don't know if these windows here were meant to be used as part of the egress, but there's no way to, there's just no way to get out of here. I don't know what the answer is. So that's going to probably need to be taken up with AHJ, but again, it's pre-existing non-conforming. So anyway, that's going to complete my inspection. If you have any questions, Fire Escape Engineers, 866-649-0333.